Good morning, student. I am Astha Mishra. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter, Evolution of Computer. In this chapter, we will discuss history of computers, early calculating devices. In early calculating devices, we will discuss abacus, Napier's bones, Harvard Mark I, Pascaline, Univac, Hollerith disk, Leibniz calculator, analytical engine, difference engine, ENIAC, tabulating machine. History of computers. Computers have gained a lot of popularity in the last couple of decades. In earlier days, a computer was such a big machine that it required space like a complete room, and its maintenance cost was beyond the limit of a common man. A common man couldn't have thought to have a computer for his personal use. But nowadays, one in every three person is using computer in some way or the other. From bulky machine to small SIM cards, all became possible because of the ever-changing technological world. In 1833, a man by the name of Charles Babbage invented all the parts that are now used for modern computer. But it was only 120 years later that the first modern computers were invented. Conrad Zuse was the inventor of the first computer in the world in 1936. Abacus. The earliest devices that qualifies as a digital computer in the abacus. The device allows the user to represent numbers by the position of beads on a rack. Simple addition and subtraction were carried out rapidly and efficiently by positioning the beads on the rack appropriately. Although abacus was invented around 600 BC and was used by the Chinese and the Egyptians, it is still being used in Far East. Next, Napier's bones. Another manual calculating device to speed up the multiplication process was John Napier's bones or cardboard multiplication calculator. It was developed by Scottish man named John Napiers. A complete set of Napier's bones consists of rods, one for each of the digits 0 to 9 called bones, with number carried on them. It was designed in the 17th century and it first appeared in print 1640. Next, Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I was an electromechanical computer which was built out of switches, relays, rotating shafts, and clutches. It had limited programmability. It used punched paper tape instead of the punched cards. It worked for almost 15 years. Grace Hopper was the primary programmer. She invented the first high level language called Flowmatic, which later on developed into COBOL. Our next calculating device is Pascaline. In 1642, the young French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal developed another mechanical adding machine called Pascaline, which could add and subtract numbers. Pascaline used a system of gears and wheels. Next calculating device is Univac. The Universal Automatic Computer was the first digital computer produced by many companies like IBM, Universal Accounting Company, General Electronic Corporation, etc. It was the first commercial large-scale digital computer produced in 1951. Next device is Hollerith disk. It consisted of a card reader which sensed the holes in the cards, a gear-driven mechanism which could count, and a large wall of dial indicators to display the results of the count. Leibniz calculator. This machine is sometimes called the stepped reckoner. The Leibniz calculator was also a calculating machine, but much superior to that of the Pascaline. It could do more than just add and subtract. The Leibniz calculator could also multiply, divide, and find square roots of numbers. It too was mechanical and worked by hand. A crank was added to speed up the work of this calculator. It was used by mathematicians and bookkeepers. Next calculating device name analytical engine. After working on the difference engine in the year 1833, Charles Babbage started working on the analytical engine. This machine could store 1000 numbers of 50 decimal digits each. The machine could perform all arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more functions. Difference engine. In 1800s, Charles Babbage designed the first automatic calculating engine, the difference engine. It could perform complex mathematical calculation. ENIAC. The ENIAC, Electrical Numerical Integrator and Computer, was developed by John W. Moseley and J. Prosper Eckert, two American scientists. This machine used decimal digits instead of binary digits. The ENIAC was the first high-speed electronic digital computer. It was used from 1946 to 1955. Now the last early calculating device name is tabulating machine. Hermann Hollerith, a German-American mathematician, invented the tabulating machine in 1890. This was an electrical device which could read data, process them, and then give accurate result. This product became so popular that Hollerith started a company which later became. That's it for today. Thank you.